We all know that an office table is essential if you use it for work. But we all want to have a quality table with a minimal budget. So we will do a DIY office table for under $20. This is the Life Archive. First, measure the table size that we want. Make sure it will fit the area. And we want it to be simple and stylish. Second, we buy the materials. Make sure to look for good wood, and take note that this is a long-term investment, so make sure it will last a long time. That was what she said.
Oh, yes.
Third, cut the wood to the size that you need. Always remember to practice safety first. You can also ask for a little help from someone. It won't lessen your masculinity. Tools are very helpful, but if you don't have them, you can use wood saws. Use what you have. Polish it. Always cover your nose. Health is wealth. Now it's time to assemble. And that is your table. But we have to paint it to make it stylish and to protect the wood. I painted the stand of the table flat black, and I applied mahogany wood finish to the top wood 3 to 5 times. After drying the paint for at least 5 hours, I set up my laptop on the table. Make sure your PC is stable and not shaking in to avoid accidents. And now, this is our DIY office table. And this is the final product. The key here is to always be resourceful, and you don't have to buy expensive things that you need if you can do it all by yourself.